like OGs and jail pits. Yeah. Welcome to the land. Welcome to the land. Welcome to the land. Straps a couple words in your hand. Yeah. Welcome to Los Santos. Welcome to Los Santos.
Hello folks, this is Aitanaja from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to talk about the Infinix Hot 8.
Where it's easy to get some weight. Hop in the stolen whip and I take you straight to the place. The grand theft and robbery man straight on my face. A cold bastard.
So guys, let's first start with an unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the Infinix Hot 8 and let's just see what's on the inside. Inside you get the smartphone itself. It's one of those budget smartphones by Infinix. Let's just see what else do you get on the inside. You get the charging module for this one, 5V 2A, and apart from that you get the micro USB cable on the inside along with the documentation warranty card, the SIM tray ejector tool and the X Club card, which is a separate card, and you also get the Google Files branding along with a TPU cover and a screen protector. And now let's take a closer look at the back of this box of where the specifications etc are written, and this one also comes with Made in India written on it along with the SAR value and everything. And now let's move further and I will tell you more about this device in detail. It comes with a 6.52-inch HD plus water drop notch display and the color quality was good enough considering the price and everything. The build and design felt pretty solid and it has a polycarbonate back, the fingerprint sensor at the back along with the camera sensor. At the bottom there is the 3.5mm jack along with the micro USB port and the speaker grill for the smartphone. Overall I felt that it's pretty lightweight and it also comes with support for direct HD sound mode, so that's also one of the good things. It comes with a triple SIM slot. That's also one of the redeeming features for the smartphone. If I talk about the internal specifications, it comes with a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset. There is support for USB OTG. It has got a great battery for gaming, 5000 mAh battery, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage. Comes with all of the sensors required for a great smartphone gaming experience. The Helio P22 isn't the best-in-class gaming chipset and you can play games like PUBG only on low settings and on smooth and medium frame rate settings. You can't play them really heavily, and that's one of the bad things about this phone, that though you can play these games but the experience is not that great. You can use something like GFX tool in order to push the frame rate to 60 FPS and then maybe the gaming experience would be slightly better. It did not heat up much, so that was one of the positive points about the smartphone. You can play something like Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on medium settings. If you try to push it to high settings, the game would lag or stutter a little bit, so that's also one of the cons for the smartphone. Apart from that, I found that the overall experience wasn't that bad and the smartphone is particularly good for this price segment. This smartphone comes with fast face unlock as well as a very fast fingerprint sensor as well, and I can say that for this price point it's one of the better smartphones out there in terms of unlocking speed and few other features. One of the better features about this smartphone is the existence of a front flash, and that flash can be used at night in order to create nice selfie videos. If I talk about the camera quality, it has two sensors at the back. One is the depth sensor, one is the primary sensor. Image quality was acceptable, not really extremely superlative, but I would say that during daylight it shoots really good photos and the front camera on this one is particularly good, one of the best in budget segments, and it comes with a lot of different filter options as well. If I talk about the UI, it comes with the XOS launcher, which is something that a lot of people may not like. It's customizable to a certain degree, but I would say that it's not one of the best skins out there in terms of overall user friendliness. It does not support wideband L1 as of now. Maybe that can be fixed in the future. If you talk about Cam to API support, that's full on the smartphone. Benchmark scores etc are also right in front of you. The MediaTek Helio P22 chipset is an okay one, but it's certainly not a powerhouse, and if you're somebody who just wants a good high battery smartphone for your normal day-to-day usage, you would like the smartphone. But other than that, if you're a gaming freak or somebody else who would like their smartphone for really high performance stuff, I would recommend you to increase your budget. Otherwise, in a budget segment for a price of around 6,999 rupees, this smartphone does pack in a lot and a lot of users might find it really compelling. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.